Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is World Porridge Day, and in honour of that I want to show you a couple of my favourite ways of eating porridge and the easiest and best way of cooking it, in my opinion anyways. So we'll get underway. First thing I want is these big flaky organic rolled oats. These just give a much better flavour than those instant ones, and they really don't take all that much work to prepare. For me, I find it best, I use just a cup. Use anything you want. So I have a cup of oats, and really this is the method I use, it's 3 to 1. So because I had a cup of oats, I'm going to have 3 of water. And just a pinch of salt. And put that on a medium heat and just let it cook for about 10 minutes. I don't use milk when cooking my porridge because milk can scald and give you sort of a bad taste, and it boils over very easily if left unattended. And at this time of the morning, I haven't time or the energy to be focusing too much on my porridge. I just give it a quick stir, and really that'll look after itself now. So in the meantime, I'm going to get on with my topping. So I'm going to need some raspberries. You can use fresh or frozen here. Tumble them in. I'll hold back 2 or 3 just for topping my porridge. And then I want 60 mils of smoky maple syrup. This makes the easiest soft set like jam. Get some heat on under that there. It's really fresh, so you have the tartness of the berries and the smoky sweetness of the maple syrup, and it is a combination made in heaven. Just give it an occasional stir, and the berries will eventually pop and burst and break down into the maple syrup. The raspberries have all burst, so I can switch my heat off underneath and allow it to cool slightly while the porridge finishes cooking. Okay, my porridge has had its time. It's very hot, but can you see there how creamy that it appears, and it only has water in it? So if you do like your porridge with some milk in it, now's the time to add it, and it will help it cool down a bit quicker, making it ready to eat that bit quicker. So we'll split this between a couple of bowls. And add a couple of spoonfuls of my smoky raspberry syrup into the center, and a couple of fresh raspberries just on top. And that's it. As simple as that. Next, for my chocolate orange porridge, so I want a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Just stir that into the porridge. Pour that out into our bowl. And then just a heaped teaspoon of marmalade in the center. Not absolutely necessary, but if you've got it, a little zest from an orange. So guys, that is it. 2 of my favourite ways of eating porridge. Very simple, and just makes it a bit more fun and interesting in the mornings. I hope you enjoy these recipes. For the full recipe, please check out the link in the description box below, where you'll find a link to my website with all my favourite porridge recipes and recipes containing oats. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, And guys, thanks for watching.